We encourage the union to negotiate the new CBAs with individual county governments who are their employers. This cannot be negotiated from the national level because health is a devolved function, and we urge the national government, the county governments and the doctors to exercise sobrieties as parties, resolve these matters amicably. We also call upon the doctors who are on strike to go back to work pursuant to the court orders issued on 13th March 2024 and 15th March 2024, failure to which the respective county governments who are their employers will be at liberty to take any appropriate action or disciplinary action.
In every county, the country are owed money, and that is a debt that has to be paid. That's the way we pay the Eurobond, the way counties pay their debts. It's a pending bill that ought to be cleared. That's one thing this far is fundamental. And this was a CBA that was signed and deposited in court. It's a court order. They have not complied with that court order. We went to court and got a judgment that went against all the 47 counties and the Ministry of Health to demand for that payment. They have not complied with that particular judgment. So you cannot go to the table of negotiation with dirty hands. You have to clean your hands before you engage us and say, you must comply to court order.